As requested, here is my whipped shea butter recipe. Welcome to Pamper Self-Care Sundays. I appreciate you watching. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Let's get started. First ingredient, you want to definitely start with African shea butter. Make sure your shea butter is real and soft. It should be white, not yellow. The next step I'm going to do is cut my shea butter in small chunks. Reason being is I want to make sure that the heat can penetrate through the shea butter and melt it faster. So I want to keep all the nutrients of the shea butter and use it for my skin. It's very, very calming and soft and relaxing for your skin. If you suffer from flare-ups, eczema, allergies to any fragrances, skin disorders, you want to try shea butter. Do a test first and see if you're allergic to any of the properties of coconut oil, lavender, or grapeseed oil, so there is no allergic reaction. Here I'm using an eyedropper, some measuring spoons, and it's a very simple process to make. I'm also going to use a Ziploc bag to make it easy to pipe inside the airtight container. I'm going to take some water and boil it. I don't want to overfill the pot with the water in it because I'm going to put this shea butter inside of it. So I'm kind of measuring it to make sure it doesn't run over. I'm going to add the shea butter inside very slowly and just let it boil. The benefits of shea butter, it's highly concentrations of fatty acids and vitamins, which make shea butter an ideal cosmetic ingredients to soften your skin, anti-inflammatory and healing properties, and when you use it, it's especially good for the body, not so much on the face. Lavender is used to balance out moisture levels on the skin. The shea butter is melted. Add our oils. I'm going to be adding lavender oil, grapeseed oil, and I'm also going to be adding coconut oil. Grapeseed oil, I add 10 drops, coconut oil, 2 tablespoons. If you like it thicker, you can use 2 teaspoons. Lavender oils for essential oils and the beautiful smell that it gives. It also gives me a relaxing feeling when I use it. Stir it together. Refrigerate it as long as you like. If you refrigerate it under 10 hours, it will be a whipped cream consistency. If you refrigerate it shorter than that, it'll be a chunky consistency. Now that it's popped out the refrigerator, I'm ready to blend. Then I like to ease up to a higher setting, and as I blend it, I move the blender around and I ease the speed up a little at a time. When you're done, it should look like cake frosting. The benefits of lavender oil is you want to relax and enjoy the smell. The benefits of grapeseed oil is it's a very light oil, very good for your skin. It has vitamin E in it as well as antimicrobial properties, and coconut oil penetrates through your skin, so it's the most nourishing out of all. This is what your shea butter should look like when you're done. I blend it for about 5 minutes, 5 or 10 minutes, depending on the consistency I need. If it's winter, it'll be different than summer. It depends on which season we are in. So this is great for winter or summer. If you like it thicker in the winter, it will coat your skin a little better. In the summer, I like a thin consistency to swim and I'm in the water and I'm in the sun. After we pipe it into the airtight container, give it a tap at the bottom to make sure we get the rest of the air out of the container so it can be in there solid and we can enjoy it. This is perfect for the winter. I also use it in the summer. I cannot do a lot of fragrances. I have a lot of allergies, so this glistens my skin. It makes my skin very flawless looking, very, very supple, soft, and it sinks into my skin better than any lotion I ever use. I hope you enjoy it. Live your dreams, glam your lifestyle. Take care. Bye, everyone.